Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Phase 1 of Samruddhi Mahamarg in Nagpur, also dedicates AIIMS Nagpur and first phase of Metro to the nation. Sukhwinder Sukhu sworn in as Himachal's 15th Chief Minister. Top Congress leaders including Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi attend swearing-in ceremony. BJP leader Bhupendra Patel to take oath as Gujarat Chief Minister tomorrow in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. And in FIFA World Cup semi-finals, line-up drawn. Croatia to take on Argentina and Morocco to lock horns with France. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated Phase 1 of Samruddhi Mahamarg connecting Nagpur and Shirdi, covering a distance of 520 km. The 701 km expressway is one of India's longest expressways and will pass through Maharashtra's 10 districts. Modi said Samruddhi Mahamarg will ensure seamless connectivity across Maharashtra. He said it is a very special day for Maharashtra and a bouquet of development works being launched from Nagpur will transform the lives of people. The Prime Minister also dedicated AIIMS Nagpur to the nation to strengthen health infrastructure in the country. Earlier, the Prime Minister dedicated Nagpur Metro Phase 1 to the nation and laid the foundation stone of Nagpur Metro Phase 2 at Khapri Metro Station. Congress leader Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, a four-time MLA, was on Sunday sworn in as the 15th Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh in a ceremony attended by senior party figures including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Sukhu, 58, was administered the oath of office and secrecy by Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar at a ceremony under the open sky at the historic Ridge Ground. Mukesh Agnihotri, the leader of opposition in the outgoing assembly, was administered the oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot also attended the ceremony. In Gujarat, Bhupendra Patel will take oath as the Chief Minister of the state for the second consecutive term tomorrow. Patel was elected as leader of the BJP legislature party by the newly elected MLAs in the presence of party observers and senior leaders Rajnath Singh, Arjun Munda and B.S. Yediyurappa yesterday in Gandhinagar. BJP won a second mandate in the assembly elections by winning 156 seats in the 182-member House. The swearing-in function will be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, along the Chief Ministers of BJP-ruled states. BJP MLA and Arts and Culture Minister Sanbor Shulai on Saturday inaugurated a working women's hostel at Rilbong. The hostel has been constructed at a cost of Rs 4 crore 50 lakh. Speaking on the occasion, Shulai said that this hostel would be of great help for the women fraternity who is working in Shillong.
I have a meeting with him regarding this. So he called the Urban Affairs Department to prepare a DPR, plan estimate. And he have sanction on that special plan assistant for an amount of rupees, 4 crore 50 lakh 39,000 for this auditorium, working women hostel and conference hall.
With Christmas round the corner, Shillong Nights are gearing up to celebrate the year-end festival with traditional fervour and enthusiasm. In the past few days, the busy areas of the city like Umkhra, Yaudu and Police Bazaar are getting even busier. People are seen busy shopping at Khandailat, market of the capital city. Every shop is decorated with beautiful hues of red, white and green decorative items to deck up the homes of the Christian faithful. The capital city is going to be at its absolute best with lights illuminating the churches, buildings, government offices, commercial centers and residences, making for a glorious sight for onlookers.
some Christmas decoration stuffs from here, which is very good. And in every Christmas time, I used to come here and buy lots of Christmas decorations. And I also used to invite my friends out here to take some good stuffs, because here we always get a lot of nice and beautiful Christmas decoration stuffs.
Home and Education Minister Lakman Rimboy recently inaugurated the Muput water supply scheme on the Jal Jeevan mission. The inauguration program was held at Muput in the presence of Executive Engineer PHE Electrical Division R. Kinjing and members from the Muput village. Under the scheme, 417 households of Muput village will receive water. Addressing the gathering, Rimboy, who represents Amlarem in the State Assembly, lauded the efforts put in by the officers of the PHE department as well as the contractor.
Kachnang mo pot, ka area mo pot to kachnang go man ka focus ba hakamon o kanto yik imlang kasala. Dayuy kachnang kinigi tao na do kang mo yam mangi kachnang kiwachem jik habrok kiliam. Yete ba thuy kalat kamon.
The quarter-final stage of FIFA World Cup 2022 is now completed and the tournament is reaching its climax. Defending champions France and South American giants Argentina sealed their progression into the last four of the tournament with nervy wins, while Croatia and Morocco arguably defeated stronger opponents to earn their place in the semi-finals yesterday. France defeated England 2-1 while Morocco stunned Portugal 1-0 to become the first African country to enter the semi-finals of the World Cup. The four teams will now square off in the penultimate round of the competition. In the first semi-finals, Argentina will take on Croatia on Tuesday, the 14th of December at 12:30 midnight Indian Standard Time. In the second semi-finals, Morocco will face defending champion France on Wednesday, the 15th of December at 12:30 midnight Indian Standard Time. The final will be played on 18th of December. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 18.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 8.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 72% while in the evening was 73%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Phase 1 of Samruddhi Mahamarg in Nagpur, also dedicates AIIMS Nagpur and first phase of metro to the nation. Sukhwinder Sukhu sworn in as Himachal's 15th Chief Minister. Top Congress leaders including Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi attend swearing-in ceremony. BJP leader Bhupendra Patel to take oath as Gujarat Chief Minister tomorrow in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. And in FIFA World Cup semi-finals, a line-up drawn Croatia to take on Argentina and Morocco to lock horns with France. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Have a good night.
Here, gravity and physics don't call the shots, and sound travels slower than you. This is a different kind of play.